Experience ultimate cleaning with Eureka E20 Plus. Discover the power of 8,000 pascal suction. The Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum boasts an advanced anti-hair tangling brush, easily tackling dust and pet hair on all surfaces. Featuring AI-driven 3D obstacle avoidance and LiDAR navigation, this smart vacuum efficiently maps your space, ensuring precise, obstacle-free cleaning even in the dark. Say goodbye to frequent bag changes. The E20 Plus's bagless self-emptying station stores debris for up to 45 days, saving you effort and money. Control it seamlessly with our app, compatible with iPhone, Amazon Echo, and Google Home. Don't miss out on maintaining a gleaming home with ease. Elevate your cleaning game today. Order now by clicking the link in the pinned comment.